An artist created three pieces of art. The first piece weighs 9 pounds, the second piece weighs 5/6 as much as the first piece, and the third piece weighs 4/5 as much as the second piece. What is the total combined weight of the three pieces? Okay, so first we said is 9 pounds. The second is 5/6 of the first, which is 9 pounds. So 5/6 times 9, that would be, I can reduce the 9/6. 3 goes into both of those. So this would be 15/2, which is 7.5 pounds. Okay, and then the third is 4/5 the second. So 4/5 of 7.5. So 4 times 7.5, that's 7.5 doubled twice. So double it once, you get 15. Double it again, you get 30. 5 times 1 is 5. 30/5 is 6 pounds. So then I just have to add 9 plus 7.5 plus 6. Um, so that's 16.5 plus 6 is 22.5.